This video will show what are the direction reference circles and how to draw them. Now follow the below steps. Go to the Predicere tab, select Insert and select Direction Reference Circle. Direction reference points are the common points from the site plan to any floor plans. They decide the orientation of floors and proposed work. Hence, the position of direction reference circle is a must. Direction circle must be inserted on each floor of the building and its corresponding proposed work on the same place. One can draw it on common areas of the building such as the lobby, staircase and lift, etc. If the position of the direction reference circles is slightly changed, then the proposed rear margin may not get captured. This is how the direction reference circles are drawn. Thank you.